Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, we are going for a trip today and we are headed towards Manly Beach. It's around 1 hour 20 minutes drive from home. It's pretty far away. It's towards the city. It's actually a weekday today. I chose this day because I didn't want to go when it was crowded. I think it's still crowded because it's a pretty popular beach. I hope it's not as bad as the weekends. Sit back and enjoy this vlog, guys. Hi guys, so we finally reached Manly Beach. I'll show you how it looks now.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Yeah guys, so we finished swimming at the beach. Right now we're just going to have something to eat. We're planning to go to Little Pearl, so that's next. But it was amazing. Manly Beach is really beautiful. So we didn't go to Little Pearl, but we ended up seeing the street just adjacent to the beach. It had a lot of dinouts and it looked very attractive. It reminded us of a beach in Glenelg. So we thought, okay, we'll have our dinner from one of the dinouts from here.
Standing in the street.
So we ended up buying dessert from Uchi and we bought our dinner from Fish Bowl.
Alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone.
It's 9 p.m. and we are headed back home.
I wished I'd had a number so I could be color.
I hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already, and until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.